Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of USD JPY, US dollar Japanese yen for Monday, 20th September. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other pairs like Euro USD, GBP USD, Gold USD, GBP JPY and many more. So let's get started. So this is the Forex chart of USD JPY in front of us right now, and as you can see that I have got many levels here. I have also added few arrows also on the chart, so the chart looks very much colorful. So let's try to understand what is going on in the chart of USD JPY. What should be a trading strategy for the coming week and on Monday? So let's find out. So first of all, I would like to talk about the trend of the market, because we all know that the thumb rule of the market is follow the trend. And if you look at the chart of overall chart of USD JPY, then we can clearly see that this is a choppy market. We do not get any clear picture about the trend of the market. This is a choppy market, sideways market. And if we just focus on the present trend of the market, or if I just ask you to observe this chart, then also we get the same answer. This is a sideways market, and as we all know, in a sideways market, the number of buyers and sellers are almost equal. Nobody is dominating the market. In an uptrend market, the buyers dominate. In a downtrend market, the sellers dominate. But in sideways market like this, the number of buyers and sellers are almost equal. So the area of value, or the best trading opportunity or best trading spot in sideways market, are available at the resistance as well as at the support. So in sideways market, we can take trades both at the resistance and at the support. That's an advantage of the sideways market. So let's understand this trend line. As you can see that I have mentioned this trend line as the resistance, because this trend line has been acting as a very strong resistance for the market for quite some time. You can see that whenever market was trying to go up, it was facing selling pressure from above. You can clearly see that this trend line is still a valid resistance for the market. Therefore, I will request you to add this trend line on your USD JPY chart. And you can see that I have also marked a blue arrow here. And on Monday, market just closed at the trend line. Therefore, there is a good possibility that after the market opening, market will struggle and market will reverse from here. If you see market reversing from this particular level, from this resistance level, then you can short the market, because market is standing at the trend line, at the resistance. And only short the market, okay, listen to me carefully, only short the market if market reverses. Do not trade right away blindly. And because if you just observe the last two candles here, you can see that price was being rejected from below, which means that buyers are still present in the market and they were trying to take the price upward. So on Monday, after the market opening, buyers may try to take the price upward again. So only short the market with proper analysis, and wait for, it would be better wait for a couple of hours. After a couple of hours, if you see that market is reversing, then short the market. That will be the best strategy. Okay, short the market at the trend line. That is your first trading opportunity on Monday. And if you enter here, short the market here, then your target will be 109.75. 109.75. If you have watched my other videos on USDjpy, then you can easily recognize this level, because I have been talking about this level for last 4 months, I guess. Because USDjpy, in the chart of USDjpy, 109.75 has been the most crucial level. And to understand the importance of this level, we need to go to the weekly chart. So this is the weekly chart of USDjpy here. Let me remove the drawings. See, previously, okay, this is a weekly chart of USDjpy. Previously, this level was the resistance for the market for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, which means that the same level acted as a strong resistance for the market for more than 2 months. And when market broke the resistance in the month of June, the same level became the support for the market. And you can see that since July, August, market is facing severe, strong selling pressure from above, but 109.75 is still not ready to surrender, which clearly signifies, okay, try to understand the market psychology here, which clearly shows that some strong buyers, some strong players are present at 109.75, and they are not allowing the market to go down. So on the weekly chart, you can see that selling pressure is very high, but still they have managed to close at the 109.75 and above by the end of the week. That is the most powerful level on the 109.75 on the more powerful level on the chart of USDjpy. Try to understand my emotion here. Try to understand the market psychology here, and try to understand the power of the buyers who are sitting at 109.75 level. And this is the main reason why I have been focusing about this level. So in case you short the market after the market opening on Monday, this will be your take profit target. Okay, and when market will be, okay, now listen to me carefully again, when market will be reaching this level on Monday or Tuesday, just observe the price, because see, 109.75 to 109.60, this whole level is the support for a market. So after coming down to this level, if you find market bouncing from here, listen to me carefully, if you find market bouncing from this particular level of 109.75 to 60, then you can easily enter here. This is your second trading opportunity on the USDjpy chart. So if market bounces from 109.75 to 109.60, you can go for buy, because this is your support level. You can go for buy if market reverses or bounces. And on the other hand, if you find market breaking this level, if you find market going down, okay, then you can short the market, but it would be better if you go for a buy at this particular level, because this is your second support on the chart of USDjpy. If I zoom out the chart, you can see that whenever market faced heavy selling pressure for 1 or 2 days, okay, this was the level that provided support to the market. Ultimately, by the end of the week, market again managed to close above the level. That's a different chapter. But for 1 or 2 days, when market was facing selling pressure, severe selling pressure from above, then this was the level that provided support to the market. So in case market breaks this level for 1 or 2 days, okay, then do not panic, you will get the next buying opportunity at this level. So these are the trading opportunities on the chart of USDjpy right now. I am tired after talking for so long. So hopefully I've understood. And my dear friends, recently I have also launched a Pro Trader membership program where I share the best trading opportunities on the market with you. If you're interested in knowing about the Pro Trader program, please go to my website avilashhazarika.com. Under the Pro Trader section, you'll find all the information. So this is it. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care. See you on Monday again.